Building approvals. We go sharply attend to the files on our table within the next 30 days. Isoken talk this one. Say Edo government no go welcome any illegal structure wey carry fake approval. Una go remember say Edo state government through the Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development don dey do plenty things to make sure say the state dey organized, especially for building matter. And na this one na make Edo state government set up Operation Plan Edo wey dey in line with government plan to make Edo great again. Commissioner for Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development, Isoken don talk say for them to sharply deliver quality service to Edo people, Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development go use the next 30 days handle the plenty files wey dey their office when concern building approval. She talk say anybody wey get file for their office make e call 091 50 783 489 or send email to muppud@edostate.gov.ng.
Our people, we don't come again to talk to una. Una know say our government don't change. Anything they happen, we dey like to tell una. Because we dey open, make una still mark us, say what we dey talk now we dey do. Una don't call our governor, we can see. Our governor na still talking na do governor because wetin he talk, na he dey do. Una say physical plan, we don dey waka since for this Operation Plan Edo. And many people don dey come to come do their approval. Una do well o, una don dey do their approval, una really try. And those of una who never do, make una still try come do una approval so that Edo go dey okay. And we go know exactly where everybody dey and wetin dey be for them. But something dey worry us, we don't see. Because as we want to do this work fast, now we come find and say, some file don't dey here for our office, the thing don't say. Some of them reach 4 years, 3 years, 5 years. Wetin cause am? Why they still dey here? So now those ones that make us come to now today with this talk, to tell us abeg. If you know say you don't apply since, and we never still give you approval, make you call us. The thing they call whistle blowing, that is tatafo talk. Make you call us, make you tell us, say na so. We not go ask your name, we not go ask anything. If you want to tell us the real thing, say, I beg na agent I be dey use that time or na so thing happen or maybe something happen na my brother be dey do am e not come well or something come happen, come out. Now we could not come do am. If you fit tell us that, we go know how to manage am. We won't use this next month to clear all the old file because we don't tell una say if all the documents ready within 14 days we go give una approval. But if this file still there with us, you go dey record against us say we not do that work. And we really want to do this work. Make Edo for be the way when we want. And we say we want to do Edo for our dream. We want to make Edo great again. This is not one way because if we do our physical environment, okay, everybody go happy to work, everybody go happy to stay there, everybody go happy to play there, children go happy to go school, even the hospital, everything go there as wearing. So I beg you now, if you know say your file don't dey, don't say, and we never do am, make you call us. The number we go call us now 091 507 834 59. You hear am? 091 507 834 59. Just call us. Say na so make my file dey here. So we fit clear all those old file. So the new file wey dey come, we go fit dey do am. I take God beg una. Those of una wey sabi to use email, una fit send us email. The email na mppud@edostate.gov.ng. mppud@edostate.gov.ng. I take God beg una. Make una contact us during this 1 month. Make we fit clear all those yama things wey dey for our office wey don't take. Make we comot them. Make we know say all those old things don't pass away. Make we start to do the new thing.
Grace Osaro Aye, when be permanent secretary for Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development, say the ministry go gbab anybody when they build without government approval.
My people now well done. We don't come again. Now don't hear wetin my commissioner talk. Wetin I talk before where I won't talk again be say. Now no say our governor na neat person. He don't like nyama. He don't talk say as Edo be. He dey pain am for body. Because he won't make Edo be the best state for this country. So the only way we feel remove this yama be say, if you see something, you talk. Make we come remove am. We not plenty here. Our eyes not feel they everywhere. Una be our eye, una be our nose, una be our ear. All of us dey this state. So if una see say dem won't block road, if una see say dem won't block drainage, if una see say dem won't build for moat, where they not dey build put, na go tell us, as una tell us, we don't reach there. Make we stop am. So that Edo state can be state where people want to come to the sea. They would like to come stay here. We want clean Edo. So all of una go join us. Make we do am. If you use any of those one, we go here. We go stand near you. Make we remove the yama. Make we get clean state.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.